Isela ubuya ku Ward 1 ilunga le Ward Committee sibuye futhi sibe nobaba Mlawuzi ungaphakamisa isandla bakubona baba Mlawuzi sakuintroduce ubuya ku Ward 3 ilunga le Ward Committee sibuye futhi sibe nomama umama wethu mama Chabeli la ubuya ku Ward Committee Ward 3 awasana ene futhi la umphakathi losiphambi kwakho na uma guest wethu akithi nawo ngiyali-introduce umphakathi lo lenza ukuthi malizwa ukuthi kunemnyanya la bakhona ngiyali-introduce sishayile isandla ene bokuqina sina laba siberekisana labo eclinic bakhona ngiyababona sinama home base liyababona nango laba phambi kwethu bayinkhipha ezibofu babuya kusimunye nabo ama stakeholders wethu la eclinic ene futhi sinema home base la siberekisana nabo abasinga ama stakeholders babuya kuMlani bakumlani lekaphamisa sanje balibone yibo kakhulu sibathumele emakhaya laba sinetha khona akithi leba bona emakhaya ngithi ya namhlanje siyabantu ukuthi ngiyabuka
Jefferson ngaba ukuthi manje sesikhamba khambile ilanga la namhlanje iPeoples bazositshela ukuthi namhlanje sihlanganiswe yini ukuthi yini into esenza ukuthi sibe la besibawa uMaphathu Msweswe eze azosihelebha on that item
mane uthena akafikanga ngingamangala ukuthi uphinda abe wakamsweswe aphinda abe wakamdluli ngwakamdluli mina sibonga ngisebenza eclinic eMlondo so namuhla sinalo lusuku lesinako lelibitwa ngeopen day hayi open day lilanga lesibamba ngalo umcinjana lomncane lo njengalo sikhulume ngathi ukuthi eclinic yethu sisebenza njani ene yini inkinga lesiba nato liqhamukapi lona leligama kunelihlobo loku-assessa lelentwako emakliniki lelibita ngo-ideal clinic njengoba kubhizi ukukhulunywa ngo-NHI into ezayo kanti bathi seyifikile ngathi ihamba mhlambe la eJakarstans ngicabanga seyila iduzane le-NHI ngendlela abayisho ngakhona kodwa isho ukuthi i-ideal clinic ithi clinic yaseMlodo ayisiya labasebenza eMlodo yemphakathi waseMlodo umphakathi waseMlodo noma undlula uyayikhomba ukuthi le iclinic yethu iclinic lethi ngesikhathi icala kusebenza ngaso ibe icala kusebenza bantu bangathi nabafika emsebenzini babe baqala ngalokunye bangaqali ngaloku lesithembisane kona ene nabathe sidoyithola iservice siyithole ya lo muntu ofika athi ya manje ngoba nini ngifikile ngathola abantu bashoda zange basibone ngo7 bacala ngo8 ifaka yona le ID lithi bantu banelungelo lekukhalada lokuthi na ungakaphatheki kahle uthi nisithembise ukuthi nabese nenda ukuthi kulungelo lethu lelo kodwa namhla bende kahle sinelungelo lokusho ukuthi hayi ngafika ngelanga lelingaka hayibona bazama shem basiphatha kahle manje hawu akukhalwa akunconywa noma ngathi noma ngiyaya noma ngiyabuya noma ngiseceleni ngingala nama ngisathi so sinelungelo lokukhalada sinelibhokisi delapha phakathi lokukhalada phakathi so yami inkinga lenginayo ngileyo angithi ngithe sophisa sikhulume nangethi inkinga lengibanayo bantu abakhala Bakhala emndoda bathi njengabantu. Ukhale nini nje nge-20 bani mhlawumbe noma nge-15. Lutho akukho lokhalako abantu abafuna ukubhala abafake and ungasabi ukuthi na ubhale isikhalo utophinze bese wena ubekwa la kuthiwa oh wena mwelo wakhala. Bake basho njalo awuthutshela. Nangibani ngikhalakile sokuthi ngiyami ukuthi namhlanje. Ngoba le nto besikhuluma ukuthi siyakhona ikhala kwemsebenzi akusiko ukuthi siyakhona akela. Angisho nawe awunokhuluma ukuthi sonke ngani ukuthola isikhulu bese sokufaka la isikhulu. Uma lokho la isikhulu bakhe. So kunomsebenzi esiwelako siba nenkinga kakhulu bantwana. Ngile khuluma ngale open day ithi ngisho la nginenkinga khona. Ibashana nibalethi kahle manje. Sona basangahlanganisa iminyaka. Ngiyabaletha kona phinde nijike endleleni bangaba nabo thuthi bona yini bese kuthi lana bakhulelwe manje ngiyancipha ngani angisheshi nifike yakho siqala sikali yani ngifika amalanga sahamba hambile amalanga nahamba hambile kuyinkinga lo ngoba funa sifo sonza kubanjwa sheshe sibone ukuthi iBP yakusonzeleni abekho yini boshukela akukho yini lokugula sibambe ungakatheleli umntwana niyabona athi angavela umntwana uyozabe na 2 years kuthiwa yilo igama simele emkhulu wakhe akuye emayini ngilele ngikucelako nje uma mkhulu noma nabo bangibani lo mfana wami bangafika babike sisu igama ngitoti ngibani siyemsamo nyalo singathi umntwana sekavela inkhani sayo emsamo siyokutala abaphasi asabuteni nje baphasi bave basitshela igama kuyoba lula ngoba nomntwana masafika nge6 weeks ngoba buta lo mangele bethe esikaleni mara likhadi ngathi akasiwa la ngathi uvakashile ufana nathi lesinte kufika kahle ngiyacela silungiseni yabona nisheshe nilungise malume lungisa igama uye kuyashadwa eJozi nguye solo simele malume abuye ulale emsamo akhumbule igama nini lokunye futhi la sihluphana khona bazalwane sisala la bantu labalanza amaphilisi abo eshukela ehigh esifo sekuwa amaphilisi nje wonke leni wacabangako manje nana nithi ngema day 10 manje ngihlupha nendelani kodwa kwanje ngalesine lophele bababeke mina nje ukuthi anginika amaphilisi hawu ngasebenza babili bathashwana ngathi hey bantu balapha sebaphilile kwanza ngikabuthi ngalesihlanu niyabamba niyayeka afike ngeday 10 ngihle bambelela befinisi ukuthi ugange date lekhaya senotshene lekhaya amshothi wasibani nje mara sekufika ku7 ngale 7 leyo nalaba bangisondlu nalaba bangalesihlanu bese la banyenya nje benta kancane abangakhala abafunisela nabo ngisho ukuthi phela singile nawo vele mabani kodwa siyacela bangabe ukuthi angifuni ukubhala noma angifuni ukuthanda ukuba khona ngoba kumele ngasiba abantwana abaningi ngafuna khona mina ngicela siyabhalisana noma ngabe usho mina ngibhala noma ngabe umthetho ngasuka ukuthi ukhopela umuntu makwazi wamfisha ngakhuluma mara usho ukuthi hayi maphilisi ami mhlawumbe nekuthi ngiphatheke njani siyabona asingathuki bafowethu akukho lokudla akukho lokubi ngesikhathi emphathini nje angishisa ngibani ngiyacela abazali masifike ekliniki bese siyabhalisa lapho inkinga leyo lesinayo abantu abazali abaningi bakhala ngemakhadi lala mancane bathi abantu bakanje anginawo nama bakangilethi nalama kodwa ngithe asibambisane nayo mara ningalithi nangihamba kade bephusha
Uzwane ngakho. Ngiyafana nobathakazi. Lani? Nabathakazi bazaphakazi. phela lento okuthakathi ngesinye isikhathi abanye abantu bayibuya ngekhaya siboyijeda makasithi nasiqalako as long as iphumlanisa abaredi nizasitshela amasenredi masenredi ngiyabona
is very simple. Ukuthi simtshele ukuthi as AYFS si offer ini la ekliniki, and then what we expect from you as umphakathi. Siyezwana? Siyezwana? Yes. All right. So as the AYFS under ikliniki yaseMloto si offer ama referrals. We refer young kids. For example, umntwana uyagula esikolweni. Angisho esikolweni bakupha islip sokuza ekliniki. Bazali Fumani. Thank you. Nabakupha islip esikolweni uza ngaso ekliniki angisho? Nawungena lapha egate ndwana esikolo ugogoda ngapha. Ufika uthi uba usesithuli, Evelyn, Busiswa or uRorisang. And then umsebenzi wabothuli ukuthi bathathe bakungenise ngaphakathi bakuvulele ifile awujama iline uyangena uyaconsulta. Bani nifona mosilaphe mosinikeza ama condom. Anvumi. Bani ningasifoni orally emon. Alright. Siphayisa ama condoms siyawa distributor ema-taverns, kuma hotspots, and also siyawa demonstrator. And then another thing we have EU zone. EU zone it's whereby kuba nesikhathi esikhethekile kliniki abantu abasha abajama line from 2:30 to 4:30. It whether uzo prevent is oyifuna la kliniki awujama line. Sezwana abantu abasha ngisho. Ngiyadlula ke. No. And another thing, laba esibabimferako from esikolweni bagcoka i-uniform if umbethe casual, sorry siyaqolisa kuleyo ndawo. And another thing, sinama clubs. Youth clubs normally after school, and then per club we require only 15 participants. We sit down, we discuss issues like teenage pregnancy, STIs, HIV, and drug and substance abuse. Youth clubs wethu. So if ninabantwana emakhaya yazi ukuthi nibazali anikwazi ukukhuluma nabo concerning sexual related matters, you send them to the clinic, uyabatshela ukuthi kunabo sesibe love life nebe HDTI, we are there for them. Siyazwana bazali musi. Ngiyavuma. Yebo.
Again. Nemutakwatile kulisana. So, ngeke sayimenti Sister Michelle. Sayimenti Sister Michelle anokuthusa ka interview athatha kuyona. Kule phela kamathatha ngalokho muthi. But then so far phakathi kwabena umuntu ngomlodo ngoba injini akathini emwake wathi. Now these are the things that it's my service and competition and competition back no. But about 2 but block 1 block 2. But how much distance again again? That's why back then about now about distance because when you go to the so now I apply a technical game as a technical meeting. I will listen to the department of and as a government, but what's about distance like so now Sister Michelle. Yeah, let me go away.
I-boyfriend leyo ibuye ngapha ningayifakithwa nemizali.
Yo emimoki Sister Michelle Momuloto Clinic. What obulela nka ho explain what is health expo. I wanna more in a little program. I'm here to explain Health Expo. When I say Health Expo, I want to tell you about the services that we deliver. This event that we are holding is because of it's a health expo. It's an open day for all the services that we render. So health expo is an explanation of health to advertise the services that the health providers are rendering to people, showing them equipment we are using for the service we are delivering to you. So, hello? Okay. Sizolibonisa izinto esisisebenzisayo eklinikini yaseMloto. Ukuthi sisebenzisa yini ukuthi sikwazi kuricha objective ya hawo kuhore ufole ene ukuthi uphole fanele kube nezinto lesi sisebenzisayo emzimbeni wakho ukuthi sikwazi uthola ukuthi ubulawa yini or yini mara ukuthi ubulawa yini or ungapholiswa yini indaba yokuthi fanele kube nama equipment angithi yebo manje okunye ukuthi yonke into iphelele in our health services ukuthi fanele kube abantu laba fanele benze umsebenzi loyo angithi abantu laba fanele babe nama qualifications okwenza umsebenzi ama qualifications angazi umthetho ukuthi lo muntu lo ufundiswe kanjani ukuthi enze umsebenzi loyo na liver yazwakala and then sihlukane la emsebenzini asifani kunabanye sipedi hayi ibulela nje khona sihlukene rifambane more. We are different here. Like this one. Asifani emsebenzini. Kunabanye benza umsebenzi up to this level. Yenzela ukuthi nina maningena bayalipompa. Mabalipompa lifuna lo muntu lo limutshela yonke into. Mawufika ku the room uyapompiwa. Ungakhuluma izinto eziningi uyapompiwa. Uzohema mote. And then kuze omunye athi hamba uye erumini. Lina liyakwata. Kanti fanele wena ubheke ukuthi lo muntu lo kusho ukuthi le phela yenza ufundele ufikela la. And then uzodlula aye somewhere. Kusho ukuthi asifani sinama level A nesi angafani. Noma ufike kurumini level. Maungathusendi lo muntu lo after this one you go to the other one. Mawufika kule uthi unsukisile la wangisa kwa it's because mawufika kule room makathathe kukhuluma thathe yonke history uyabona ukuthi hayi le ifanele sister Mchele or ifanele sister Mkwena or ifanele lo wasebantwaneni or yini bathi bangisa lena le fanele you must understand ukuthi senze lento le ukuthi umphakathi must understand us, must understand our service delivery to them. And then okunye nezinto lesizenza kini siyathatha ama blood glucose, siyathatha blood pressure, fanele silibonise ngizolibonisa yonke into leyikhuluma ngizothatha ngilibonise ukuthi masithi sithatha blood pressure sithatha ngalento yenzani emzimbeni wakho masithi gibele esikaleni. But every time that is give less than him. Ngoba ngeke umuntu aprescribe medication imithi ama checka nga iskala ngoba iskala sihambisana ne treatment yakho ukuthi fanele siunikeze imithi engakanani ngeke nginikeze umntwana i-treatment yomuntu omkhulu mangamkalanga angeke injongise ukuthi fanele ngimuphe kanjani because it's an indication and ukuthi siukale indaba yokukala is because weight loss abanye abazi ukuthi baluza weight mawungasitheki uzowazi kanjani ukuthi umzimba wakho manje wayehla or uyakhuluphala and then nokuthi umuntu mangadli isikala siyasijongisa ukuthi wena last time isuphe ini nani bayayibeka nje eceleni ukuthi mina ngifuna ukufa akafuni then makafika there's no improvement masifaka into emlomweni or la ekhwapheni lesi busy thermometer ngabe ngizijongisa yona maniyenza so
mara yena itsena go khwapheni.
Ngikhulume nge-blood pressure ngithi i-blood pressure ithatha omunye nomunye basic nursing care even doctors they cannot examine you basawutsiya blood pressure again we use instruments like this one is a thermometer blood pressure machine blood pressure i-measure high blood mo meleng wa hao gore e ka nanka le pulse you ka stona ke hit marke pulse e measure gore madi hao a betha kana pelo hao e betha byang so e re bontsha gore pelo hao e betha byang. That is why every time when we have this after taking you blood pressure ka motšhini sometimes he mabona se teng re berekisa motšhini mara mo tleliniking ga o teng re berekisa motšhini mo tleliniking re ba berekisa he motšhini he ntho e se teng mabona se teng re berekisa o moso ne so tsotlhe tse di bereka ko pelong tsamaiso ya madi a gago you become angry. When we tell you blood pressure in Odimo, Recupela, Uruba le mola, or Betty mola, really, return one after hour. No matter what pity them what they will blood pressure for you, remove medication or Aruba. There should be a short stay in SCSC. There should be a short stay for the observer after an hour or after 4 hours. Round one. So as the observer, sorry, then alternative treatment the FA. Recupera the patient to us when we deliver services. Same thing happened. In turn, it's check out my part. I can really check out my soya, my dear house. Yeah. Is stethoscope. Si check amaphatha ahawo. Na ukaba huna limit kamara amaphatha. Na maphatha hawo athibani. Na maphatha hawo hauna moya o kenang kapa ho kene moya o mongata ka hara maphatha hawo. Therefore, there's something that we hear. You only get this when you are being examined like accurate profile. After Bauri Perile Yako or IT check at the Lose. Mutu O, a Gama Berry, this distinction, but the second one some monkey man, uncle. Lena Gavana Asad Asapiteli. Oh, yeah. Oh, Baba Baram Hanaka I guess. And then over here, this thing, we call him primary health care specialist. It's a motivating and then Aparaso is a primary health care specialist. We call her clinician. We call him clinician because one day. And then Liba, it is clinician, but then Motiniki, Liba, Erica Lemo. Ini tinishan batem motiniki Rebecca kan lebele yente hona leba elongori bamo osete wani mola wana babele isa mo osete wani ba itinga ha kalohana ya mutu that is why when you have all the nurses whatever nurses ba itu gaha mutu o atori ke thalohan boletse ba thalohan so boletse ba thalohan hona le ho ronse le go ripela go tsa a pithelelo a pisi so ba rutetse midwifery community health ya ka rena le lena mo community mi sona le batho ba ruteleng ka taba ya community health rete leba botlhe ba rete so are top panel rete Momoloto, they are all these people Bantu and a Bafile Kimulao was South African Dressing Counseling for the Tocomen. And a little you complainer, Hail Gangria, Prisona, or a heritage will check. Like now, never like in a go check, I stay when you go check out. When I write down complainer, I got you was gone. Maracana City, Kamotiniki. Impa, Atikabari, the sector Kaupel. Renali blood pressure machine, Motiniki. Impa, I cover all sectors. Realimisa. Yo, el consider delay in patients waiting period. Yo, yet our Lenali complain, Renari Stara, until 70 one machine, Kamohara had been it. So, kinana ore bo phati ba di uka tabe hore hona le mo ring ha tshwantseng delivery services mo lona go be le shortage motho o tla ka problem ya ENT ke ear nose and throat ha tla ka problem ya ear nose and throat if ini ka mo tsebeng okay if ise ka mo tsebeng I can ka ora ka atam oh what have you ka bona ore na le bothata mara ka mo tsebeng because rena le shortage ya equipment especially yona ka mo tsebeng a ye gona le la tswalla tshela na mo a ye gona so hora e tshwantsho ba go equipment mo rena bela is a problem happy so le he rena le event mara That type of equipment I will show you. And then and then right